Hello everyone, this is Mamta Mon and today we will learn and solve self-practice exercise 4C questions 1 to 7 of chapter integer, 4th chapter integer of class 6 of new learning composite mathematics textbook. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notification of future videos. Let's get started and solve some questions. What we will learn today? Today we will learn and solve self-practice exercise questions 4C, questions 1 to 7 of chapter integers, and topics are addition of integers, adding integers on number line, adding integers using absolute values, and adding 3 or more integers. Let's solve some questions. Now we solve question number 1, and question number 1 is determine whether the sum is positive or negative or 0. First bit is 20 plus 16. Both are positive integers. 20 and 16 are positive integers, so their sum will be positive. B. Minus 21 plus minus 9. Both are negative integers. Minus 21 and minus 9 are negative integers, so their sum will be negative. C. 70 plus minus 22. Both are of opposite sign integers, so the sign will be the sign of the bigger number. Here bigger number is 70. 70 is greater than 22, so bigger number is 70, and sign of bigger number is positive. 70 is positive integer, so their sum will be positive. Now we solve question number 2, and question number 2 is write addition expression represented by the number line. This is the given number line. Starting from 0, the number goes to right hand side with 5 place 0 to 5. Distance from 0 to 5 is 5. And from starting from 5, the number goes to right hand side to 3 place 5 plus 3. And the number starting from 5 to 6 1 place, 6 to 7 2 place, and 6 to 7 to 8 is 3 place. 5 plus 3 and the number now at 8. So number 5 plus 3 equal to 8. So addition expression will be 5 plus 3 equal to 8. Now we solve question number second bit B, and this is the given number line. Starting from 0 to the number goes to right hand side 0 to 4, 4 place. Distance from 0 to 4 is 4, and from 4 the number goes to right hand and left hand side with 7 place. As it goes from left hand side, the minus sign will be there, so minus 7, then 4 plus minus 7 equal to 4 to 3 1 place, 3 to 2 2 place, 2 to 1 3 place, 1 to 0 4 place, 0 to minus 1 5 place, minus 1 to minus 2 6 place, and minus 2 to minus 3 7 place. So the 4 plus minus 7 equal to the number now at minus 3. So 4 plus minus 7 equal to minus 3. So addition expression will be 4 plus minus 7 equal to minus 3. Now we solve question number 3. Question number 3 is using the number line write the following integers. First bit is 5 more than 2. 5 is positive integer, so starting from 0 the number goes to right hand side 0 to 5, and distance from 0 to 5 is 5. Then more than is plus. Starting from 5 then number goes to right hand side with 2 place. Then 5 to 6 1 place, 6 to 7 2 place, then 5 plus 2 the number now at 7. So then 5 more than 2 will be 5 plus 2 equal to 7. Now second bit B, 7 more than minus 2. 7 is positive integer, so starting from 0 the number goes to right hand side with 7 place, and distance from 0 to 7 is 7. Then now the number is at 7 more than minus 2. More than means plus, so from 7 back to the left hand side is -2, negative sign, negative integer. So from starting from 7, the number goes to left hand side with 2 place. 7 to 6 1 place, 6 to 5 2 place. So number now at 5. So 7 plus -2 equal to 5. 7 more than -2 will be 7 plus of -2 equal to 5. Now third bit C, 8 less than 3. 8 is positive integer, so starting from 0 the number goes to 8 place. So now the number is at 8. Distance from 0 to 8 is 8. Now number at 8, and from number 8 the number 8 less than 3. Starting from 8 the number goes to left hand side with 3 place, -3. So 8 to 7 1 place, 7 to 6 2 place, 7 6 to 5 3 place. So 8 plus -3 equal to 5. So number at 5. So 8 less than 3 will be 8 plus of -3 equal to 5. Now we solve question number 4, and question number 4 is using the number line to find the following sum. First bit is 5 plus 4. Both are positive integers, so starting from 0 the number goes to right hand side as both are positive integers, so 0 to 5. Distance from 0 to 5 is 5. Now the number at 5 and 5 plus 4. Starting from 5 the number goes to 4 place, 5 to 6 1 place, 6 to 7 2 place, 7 to 8 3 place, and 8 to 9 4 place. The number now at 9. So 5 plus 4 equal to 9. Now second bit B, 6 plus of -4. 6 is positive integer, so starting from 0 the number goes to right hand side, 0 to 6 6 place. So now the number at 6. Distance from 0 to 6 is 6, and 6 plus -4. The number goes to -4 is negative integer, so number goes from 6 to left hand side with 4 place, 6 to 5 1 place, 5 to 4 2 place, 4 to 3 3 place, and 3 to 2 4 place. So 6 plus of -4 equal to 2. The number now at 2. So 6 plus -4 equal to 2. Now E, -2 plus 7 plus -3. -2 is a negative integer, so starting from 0 the number goes to left hand side, as -2 is negative integer, so starting from 0 the number goes to left hand side with 2 place, 0 to -1, -1 to -2, and distance from 0 to -2 is -2. So -2 plus then 7. 7 is positive integer, so from starting from -2 the number goes to right hand side with 7 place, -2 to -1 1 place, -1 to 0 2 place, 0 to 1 3 place, 1 to 2 4 place, 2 to 3 5 place, 3 to 4 6 place, and 4 to 5 7 place. Number now at 5. -2 plus 7 is 5. Now number at 5, then 5, then plus -3. Then starting from 5 the number goes to left hand side as -3. This is negative integer, so starting from 5 the number goes to left hand side with 3 place, 5 to 4 1 place, 4 to 3 2 place, 3 to 2 3 place. The number now at 2. So -2 plus 7 plus -3 equal to 2. Now we solve question number 5. Question number 5 is add without using the number line using absolute values. First bit is 7 plus 5. Both are positive integers, so add these numbers without sign. 7 plus 5 is 12, and 12 is positive. Second bit B, -5 plus -5. Absolute value, find the absolute value of -5 is 5. Absolute value of -5 is 5, and absolute value of 5 is 5. Add the number 5 and 5 that is 10, and both are negative integers, so minus 5 plus minus 5 equal to minus 10. Add the minus sign before the 10 numbers, so the number will be minus 10. Minus 5 plus minus 5 equal to minus 10. C. Minus 8 plus of minus 1. Both are negative integer, so absolute value of minus 8 is 8 and absolute value of minus 1 is 1. 8 plus 1 is 9, and both are negative sign, both are negative integers, so add the negative sign with the number 9. So minus 8 plus of minus 1 equal to minus 9. D. 8 plus of minus 5. Subtract 5 from 8. 8 minus 5 is 3, and sign of the bigger number is positive. Bigger number is 8 and sign of the bigger number is positive, so 8 plus of minus 5 is 3. 3 is positive. Now question number 6. Question number 6 is insert greater than, less than or equal to symbol to make a true statement. First bit is minus 10 plus 6 dash 5 plus of minus 8. First we solve this expression in the left hand side. Minus 10 plus 6. Minus 10 plus 6 is minus 4. First subtract 6 from 10. 10 minus 6 is 4, and sign of the bigger number is negative. Its bigger number is 10 and sign of 10 is minus, so minus 10 plus 6 is minus 4. And now 5 plus of minus 8. 5 plus of minus 8, subtract 8, subtract 5 from 8. 8 minus 5 is 3, and bigger number is 8. 8 is greater than 5, bigger number is 8, and bigger number, sign of bigger number is negative, so the number will be 5 plus of minus 8 equal to minus 3. We get minus 10 plus 6 is minus 4, and 5 plus of minus 8 is minus 3. We know 4 is greater than 3, so minus 4 is less than minus 3. So minus 10 plus 6 is less than 5 plus of minus 8. Second bit, minus 18 plus 25 dash of minus 25 plus 18. First we solve from the left hand side expression. Minus 8, 18 plus 25, minus 18 plus 25, subtract 18 from 25. 25 minus 18 is 7, and bigger number is 25, and bigger number sign is positive, so minus 18 plus 25 will be 7. Minus 18 plus 25 equal to 7. Now solve the right hand side expression. Minus 25 plus 18. Subtract 18 from 25. 25 minus 18 is 7, and sign of the bigger number is negative, as 25 is negative integer, so add the negative sign before 7. So minus 25 plus 18 equal to minus 7. We know 7 is greater than minus 7, so minus 18 plus 25 is greater than minus 25 plus 18. Now solve question number 7. Question number 7 is write the additive inverse of, first bit is 15. 15 is positive integer. We know additive inverse of positive integer is negative integer, so additive inverse of 15 is minus 15. B. Minus 6. Minus 6 is negative integer. We know additive inverse of negative integer is positive integer, so additive inverse of minus 6 is 6. C. 0. 0 is neither positive nor negative integer, so additive inverse of 0 is 0. If you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Keep learning, keep watching. Thank you. If you like this video, then please click the like button and share this. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notification of future videos. If you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching. Thanks for watching. Thank you. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.